Hello dear children. Today in this class we are going to start a new chapter, that is lesson number 12, verbs. So without any further delay, let's get started. What are verbs? Verbs are action words. These words tells us what a person or thing does. For example, the lady opens her umbrella. Tim walks very slowly. Shobha ran to the field. Now, in these three examples, you'll be able to see the letters, the words are in bold: opens, walks, and run. Now, these are the action word. That means something they are doing. What the lady is doing? The lady is opening her umbrella. That opens is the action word. Tim walks. Walks is an action word. And Shobha run. This run is the action word. Alright. So verbs are action words which tells us what a person or thing does. Now the second portion is helping verbs. Remember, we have studied in the previous chapter in the first term that there are 23 list of helping verbs. So in this lesson you will learn some list of verbs that are am, are, is, was, were, have, has, and had. Alright. Number 1. These verbs shows the state of a person or thing. Am, are, is, was, were. Number 2. These verbs shows what belongs to a person or thing, like have, has, had. When you use have, has, or had, it shows that something belongs to you or something belongs to something. Number 3. Is, am, are, was, were, has, have, and had also act as helping verbs. Now we all know that these list of verbs are helping verbs which help the main verb in making a sentence. Now list of helping verbs 23. I think these I have given you in the first term in some of the lesson. One of the easiest way to remember the list of helping verb: Chat B swim is 23 years old. So how many list of helping verbs are there? 23. One sentence is given, Chat B swim is 23 years old. That means that 23, you have to remember the number, that is 23 is the list of helping verb. Now chat, C-H-A-D, C for can, could, H for have, has, had, A for am, are, D for do, does, did. Then B for be, being, been. Then we have swim, S-W-I-M, S for shall, should, W for will, would, was, were, I for is, M for may, might, must. So how many helping verbs are there altogether? 23. Now exception, there is one helping verb which act as both helping and main verb, that is ought, O-U-G-H-T. Understood? Now take out page number 54. In page number 54 we have the first question: read about what Cuckoo the toucan does every day. Circle the words which tell you what Cuckoo does. Every day Cuckoo flies to the highest branch of the tree in the forest where it lives. So from these lines you circle flies and lives. Then second line, it sits on the branch and talks to its friends. It also croaks loudly. From the second line, sits, talks, and croaks. When Cuckoo feels hungry, he eats mangoes, papayas, and berries. So circle it, fills and eats. Then we have in the third line, in the evening it flaps wings and flies away home. Circle flaps and flies. The word that you circled describe actions. These action words are called verbs. In the next page, page number 55, circle the verb in these sentences. Some sentences have more than one verb. Number 1, Mona has a big dog. Circle has. Number 2, the children danced to the music for 2 hours. Danced. Number 3, the bull had 2 horns but it broke one in a fight. So underline, not underline, circle had, helping verb, and broke is main verb. Number 4, there are many kinds of sweets in the shop. Circle are. Number 5, you should stand at attention while singing the national anthem. Circle stand and singing. Number 6, who was the first Prime Minister of India? Circle was. Number 7, the baby sat in a chair and ate its meal. Circle sat and ate. Number 8, the crowd of people clapped after the leader's speech. Circle clapped and speech. Number 9, the peacock has beautiful feathers. Circle has. Number 10, Ali woke up early today. Woke. Circle woke. Now page number 56, question number B, circle the main verbs and underline the helping verbs in these sentences. So you have to circle the main verb and underline the helping verb. I am going home for Christmas. Am and going. Underline am, circle going. Number 2, Priyanka was playing chess with her friend. Underline was, circle playing. Number 3, they were planning a holiday in Ladakh. Underline were and circle planning. Number 4, Kumar is meeting his cousins today. Underline is and circle meeting. Number 5, the king was sitting on his throne. Circle was and underline was and circle sitting. My summer vacation has started. Underline has and circle started. I have finished my homework. Underline have and circle finish. The last question, let us write. Minnie visited Jojo's farm over the weekend. Complete Minnie's description of what she saw on the farm using the verbs given in the box. Jojo's farm is full of noisy animals. The geese cackle and the cow moo. Every morning Jojo gives them food to eat and water to drink. He also has a pair of horses. He is very proud of them. When I was visiting the farm, there was a storm. The cattle grew restless. Somehow the gate of the stable opened and all the animals came out. The cattle made a lot of noise. Then Jojo ran out and took them inside and locked the gate properly. So we have completed this lesson also. In the next class we will start a new chapter. Till then you do the work neat and cleanly in your book as well as in the copy. Thank you.